Hello friends, in Jharkhand GK MCQ series, today I will discuss economy and geography of Jharkhand. It is very important for JTET examinations. First question, what is the approximate geographical area of Jharkhand? Options are A, 59,716 square, B, 79,716 square kilometer, C, 99,716 square kilometer, D, 69,716 kilometer. Is B, 79,716 kilometer. Question number 2. Which plateau dominates the topography of Jharkhand? A, Deccan Plateau, B, Chota Nagpur Plateau, C, Malwa Plateau, D, Meghalaya Plateau. The answer is B, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Question number 3. Which river is the longest in Jharkhand and known as the Sorrow of Bengal? Options A, Suvarnarekha, Brahmani, C, Damodar, D, North Coil. Answer is C, Damodar. Question, what percentage of India's coal reserve are found in Jharkhand? Options are 15%, A, B, 27.3%, C, 40%, and D, 33%. Answer is B, 27.3%. Question number, which crop occupies the largest cultivated area in Jharkhand? Options A, wheat, B, maize, C, paddy, D, pulses. Answer is paddy. Question number 6. What was Jharkhand's estimated gross state domestic product GSDP at current price in 2024-25? A is rupees 3.5 trillion, B is rupees 4.7 trillion, C is rupees 2.8 trillion, rupees 5.2 trillion. Answer is B, 4.7 trillion. Question number 7. Which industry is major contributor to Jharkhand's economy due to its rich mineral resources? Options are A, textile, B, mining and mineral extraction, C, information technology, and D, tourism. Answer is mining and mineral extraction. Question number 8. What is the primary source of own tax revenue for Jharkhand in 2024-25? Options are A, sales tax, B, state GST, C, vehicle tax, and D, excise duty. Answer is B, state GST. Question, which state borders Jharkhand to the east? Options are A, Bihar, B, Odisha, West Bengal, and D is Chhattisgarh. Answer is C, West Bengal. Question number 10. What is the climate type in the northern part of Jharkhand? Options are A, tropical, wet and dry, B, humid, subtropical, C, arid, and D, temperate. Answer is humid, subtropical. Question number 11. Which mineral is Jharkhand the only state in India to produce? Options are A, bauxite, B, coking coal, C, limestone, and D, mica. Answer is coking coal. 13. What percentage of Jharkhand's geographical area is covered by forests as per ISFR 2021? Options are 19.76%, B is 29.76%, option 9.76%, and D is 49.76%. Answer is B, 29.76%. Sorry, question numbers are disturbed. So, this question is question number 13. And question is, which city is known as the industrial hub of Jharkhand, home to companies like Tata Steel? Option A, Ranchi, B, Dhanbad, C, Jamshedpur, and D, Bokaro. Answer is C, Jamshedpur. 14. What is the highest point in Jharkhand located in Hazaribagh Plateau? Options are A, Tagore Hill, B, Parasnath, C, Trikut Hill, and D, Canary Hill. Answer is B, Parasnath. Question number 15, that is the last of this episode. Which sector employs approximately 80% of Jharkhand's rural population? Options are A. Mining, B. Agriculture, C. Tourism, and D. Manufacturing. Answer is B. Agriculture. So that's all for today. Thank